Today I want to talk about arrogance, value, and humility. I always have this rule, never take lower than my day rate. Take more, of course, or just do it for free. But don't lower my rate. Like, I've decided this is what it is and stay there no matter what. But for some reason, I didn't. I took like a 30% cut on my rate. I was free, all this situation. But the problem is, I instantly felt shitty. As soon as I said, okay, everything just started to fall downhill. And I was like, oh man, like all that stuff in your brain being like, well, I guess it's okay. But it's not okay, because instantly I let this person devalue what I work so hard for and devalue how they view me as a person. I brought up the conversation again. I'm really awesome and I can do a lot of things. I'm good at what I do, blah, blah, blah. And just had this little bit of arrogance. They're like, this is my rate. I think you should pay me what I'm worth. And it's this or more. And they were like, okay, we'll see what we can do. I'm like, well, yeah, I'll do this time because I already agreed to it, which is important. Because I promised them that, and that's fine. But I was like, we're never gonna do this again. And I was just like super kind of out of character, arrogant, when I'm normally humble and just been like, I'm not sure, maybe you work with really awesome people and this is what you think I'm worth and all this business. Long story short, at the end of the work, we talked about it again. I came in with that confidence and was just like, yeah, I mean, were you happy with my work? Great. I did it fast. I did it to more than your expectations. I think we should really make sure that we never ever have this conversation again. And in fact, I'm probably going to raise it in the future. I wanted to talk to you about that now. And they said, yeah, we're totally happy with that. And in fact, we think you did really, really well. And we'll actually give you your day rate full on for this time as well. So please bill us that and we'll pay you straight up. It'll be 2 weeks. And the takeaway on this was, it's better to be a little arrogant. Even though that's generally considered a negative trait, I think when it comes to your value and your personal worth, you have to defend that. And you're better off having a little bit of negativity to hold your whole system of value together than going with the humility and letting it just fall apart altogether, just so you can have that little part of you that says, oh, okay, no, it's cool because I'm a nice guy, I'll let you do that. Better off being a little bit arrogant so that you can actually charge more, know your worth, be confident, and make people happy because you do good, and be happy to work because you're not sacrificing your value and your pay. So I hope that helps, and until next time, peace.